This is the Black & Decker mouse, and it's quite literally one of the most innovative sanders on the market. It's been around for years and years, and people really haven't bettered the design so far. And this is a stunning little kit. So let's have a quick go through features and benefits of the mouse. Well, it's called a mouse because it looks like one, so that's nice and easy, but it fits nicely in the hand. So you fit comfortably. These ears, as they were, are the nice little soft grips. When it's in your hand, you've got a nice on-off button, easy to control. This is where it gets really clever. So it's the shape of the base pad. Okay, it's sort of a rounded triangular shape. This bit, the pointy bit, is ever so clever because this enables you to access difficult to get to areas, corners, all those little bits that are always a pain to get to. And in sanding and when you're painting, varnishing, preparation is the key to a good result. Now, even better than that, you may see there's a little hole there. There's a screw in there, and this top diamond piece can be taken off and turned around because you tend to wear the tip more than the rest of it. When you're getting into areas, you put more pressure there, that wears over time, and Black & Decker have thought about that, and you can turn it round so you optimise your wear on that. It's got holes in the bottom there, and that's for dust extraction. If you want to connect it up to a dust extraction system, you've got a little hole which sucks out the dust there, kicks it out the back to your attachment. So that's the actual machine. As you can see on the profile, this lipping is nice and thin, gets under the body, gets out from the side of the body so you can go under recesses. I'm going to show you that in a minute. What comes in this kit? Well, you get your mouse and you get a really neat little storage bag, and in there there's a whole load of stuff. There's a little extraction bit there to go on for your dust extraction, so that'll hook up to a standard size. That just goes straight in the back there, clicks in, and you hook it up to your dust extraction system. Not going to use that today, that's nice and easy. And then you've got a whole array of sanding sheets. You've got, and this comes off, you've got an extra attachment here. Okay, it's called a finger. Okay, and your finger is very useful for getting into areas that you can't normally get to. That goes on the front, that comes off, as I said, that goes on. So you've got a finger. So if you're doing between spindles on the stairs, anything like that, or on the decking, that's a really useful attachment. You've got some finger sanding sheets for the attachment, and then you've got scourer if you're preparing something very, very soft, no score marks. If you was preparing some plastic for coating or varnishing, you'd use something like that. You've got two types of scourer there for same sort of applications, and then you've got a whole host of sanding sheets, nice and easy. And as we said, because the tip wears more than anything else, you've got these extra bits that just pull off, and you've got extra tips to use because, as I said earlier, the tips wear. So let's get going. It's nice and easy. How do you fit the sanding sheets on? Couldn't be easier. Look, line it up. They all line up automatically with the holes. Push it down and away you go. It's got a hook and loop system. When you want to change it, pull it off. As I said earlier, if you wear out the tip, you can tear it off there, turn it round, so you get 4 lots of use, so you wear your whole sheet nice and evenly. Let's have a look at it in use. We've got some really flaky varnish coming off there. That needs preparation. It's all awkward, it's all recessed underneath. You got your corners, you've got everything that's ideal for a mouse. Now if we can come in close to that, we'll have a little sand and I'll show you just how versatile this is. So away we go. And as you can see, it's taking it all off, but it's getting right underneath the frame. which is what you want. So it's giving you all the preparation, it's giving you everything you need. Every house needs a mouse, especially when you've got to do a bit of sanding. So that's a super duper little kit there, comes with all these accessories, and for a limited period you're getting an extra pack of sanding sheets thrown in. There's another 5 assorted sanding sheets with the extra tips on it. All of that from Black & Decker, covers all of your sanding needs in one go, and you've got a nice little pouch and a box to keep it in.